So it's been a little while since I've done a Q&A, and I want to try something a little different for the next one. Back when I first started doing those live Q&As, we had access to use Google Hangouts on Air, which had this really awesome Q&A feature in it, which allowed the people watching live to post their questions there and vote them up or down. So me, as the person answering the questions live, could just go and just watch that one page and just pick the top question and just keep going. And there's a lot less downtime. There's no time for me worrying about what's going on in the chat, because the chat was separate from the actual questions. And that's kind of been a little bit of the issue with the live Q&As lately, is most of it is just me trying to watch the chat, find the questions, and then when the chat decides to scroll on its own somewhere else, I have to go try and find where I was. So what that means is that the replay value isn't quite there, because you're literally just watching me reading the chat and trying to go through it. And on the replays, you can't see the chat anyway, so it's not super great. Now, I will still do live things. I'm hoping to do some more that have a little more structure in them, so that the replay value is there a little bit. Or if I just do a, jump on a chat for no reason, probably won't have them be public afterwards, because they're not that useful. So that leads me down to the actual purpose of this video. So what I'm thinking of doing is I will post a video like this one right here, which is just a way for me to collect the questions. So all you have to do is just go down to the comments area and see what questions people have posted. If you want me to answer those, just thumb them up and they'll go towards the top. If they haven't been asked before, go ahead and post your own question in there. And then I'll leave this video up for maybe a day or two. I'll see how the influx of questions go. And then I'll just record a video that is maybe like 15 minutes long or something. And I'll just answer the top questions from the comments section on this video, which should make the actual Q&A video much better, or much more valuable, or whatever. So head down there, ask some questions, and I'll answer them. I'll see you later.